Imagine turning your online browsing into a cash-generating machine, but 90% of people are missing out. What if I told you that with just one sale, you could be making what others make in a month? Stay tuned to unlock the secrets of high-ticket affiliate marketing. High-ticket affiliate marketing is a game changer in the online earning sphere, and yet it remains an untapped goldmine for many. Imagine this: instead of hustling hard to sell hundreds of low-priced items, you focus on promoting just a few high-value products or services. These aren't your everyday items, but think along the lines of luxury watches, cutting-edge software solutions, or elite educational courses that promise to impart valuable skills. Now you might be wondering, what makes these high-ticket items so special? It's simple. These products are not only of superior quality, but also offer immense value to the buyer, often transforming a crucial aspect of their life or business. For instance, a premium online course could equip someone with the skills to triple their income, or a piece of specialized software might save businesses countless hours in productivity. But here's the kicker with high-ticket affiliate marketing: your commission on these premium sales is significantly higher than what you'd earn from lower-priced items. Imagine earning a commission that's more than some people's monthly salary, all from a single sale. Sounds tempting, doesn't it? This approach requires a different strategy than traditional affiliate marketing. It's more about building trust and conveying the true value of a high-ticket item to your audience. It's about understanding the needs of your audience and presenting these high-value products as solutions to their problems. How do you identify a high-ticket item? Look for products or services with a price tag that's significantly higher than average, often in the range of hundreds to thousands of dollars. These aren't impulse buys, but are considered deliberate investments by the buyer. They offer not just luxury, but a tangible return on investment, be it through enhanced knowledge, skills, time saving, or simply the prestige of owning a luxury item. Now, I'm curious, have you ever considered the potential of selling just one product and making what you'd normally make in a month? What high-ticket item do you think you could successfully promote to your audience? Navigating the world of affiliate marketing might seem like an endless sea of options. You've got an array of products you could promote, from ebooks costing a few dollars to software subscriptions running into the hundreds. But here's a thought: what if targeting fewer, more expensive items could be your golden ticket? Picture this: a single sale that puts a substantial commission in your pocket, offering a clear path to financial goals that seem distant with traditional approaches. Focusing on high-ticket items is much more than just eyeing pricier products. It's about recognizing the power of quality over quantity. Think about it: selling a single product that could potentially earn you hundreds, if not thousands, in commission, versus the grind of moving countless low-ticket items for the same amount. It's not just about the earnings, it's about the efficiency and the strategic investment of your time and efforts. But what truly sets high-ticket affiliate marketing apart is the relationship you develop with your audience. It's not a simple transaction, it's an in-depth conversation. You become a trusted advisor, guiding your audience towards products that offer not only high value, but also a significant positive impact on their lives or businesses. This trust fosters loyalty, and loyal audiences are far more likely to engage with and invest in your recommendations. Strategically marketing these premium products requires a nuanced approach. It's essential to convey not just the features, but the real, tangible benefits these high-ticket items can offer. Whether it's a course that could exponentially increase one's income or software that slashes hours off weekly tasks, the focus should be on demonstrating undeniable value and return on investment. Now, imagine the possibilities with just a few successful conversions. Not only does this elevate your affiliate marketing game, but it also carves out a niche of high-quality, highly rewarding promotional efforts. Now, I have a question for you. Think about the type of high-ticket item that resonates with your interests or expertise. What is it, and how do you imagine it could transform the lives of your audience? Your thoughts on this could very well be the first step towards a monumental shift in your affiliate marketing strategy. Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. High-ticket affiliate marketing is like unlocking a treasure chest in the vast ocean of digital marketing. Imagine finding items in this chest that are not only valuable, but also exactly what your audience has been searching for. The key to this chest: understanding and choosing the right products. It's all about aligning what you promote with what your audience genuinely needs. When you pick a product that solves a problem or fulfills a desire for your audience, you're not just selling, you're providing a valuable solution. Now, knowing your audience is like having a map to this treasure. You need to dig deep. What are their interests, their pain points? The more you understand your audience, the more tailored and effective your recommendations can be. This is where building trust comes into play. By sharing your honest experiences, providing insightful reviews, and being transparent about the benefits and potential drawbacks of a product, you create a trust-based relationship. Your audience needs to feel that you're guiding them to the best choices for their specific needs and desires. Leveraging the right marketing channels is your compass in this adventure. Whether it's through SEO, ensuring your content ranks high when people are searching for solutions online, or through engaging, valuable content on social media platforms, each channel has its unique way of connecting you with your audience. Content marketing with insightful blogs or videos helps in educating and nurturing your audience, moving them closer to making informed decisions. Remember, in high-ticket affiliate marketing, patience and consistency are your best allies. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Success comes from consistently providing value, understanding your audience's evolving needs, and being a reliable source of information and guidance. Now, think about this. What's one area in high-ticket affiliate marketing that you find challenging or intriguing? How can understanding that area better help you in your marketing efforts? Navigating the terrains of high-ticket affiliate marketing can be akin to an exhilarating yet challenging expedition. Now, imagine you come across a gorgeously shiny high-ticket item. It promises great rewards, but there's a catch. The path to success is steep and filled with obstacles. One of the first hurdles you'll face is finding the right niche. It's like looking for a needle in a haystack, but fear not. The trick lies in aligning your interests with what the market needs. Start by listing your passions and areas of expertise, then research to find untapped markets craving what you can offer. This alignment not only makes your marketing efforts genuine, but profoundly more enjoyable. But even after discovering your niche, the road doesn't get much easier. High-ticket items typically come with longer sales cycles. Patience here isn't just a virtue, it's your best strategy. Imagine planting a tree. You water it, you nurture it, but it doesn't bear fruit overnight. Similarly, fostering relationships and building trust with your audience takes time, but is essential for those bigger ticket sales. Throughout this process, keep educating your audience, offering them value, and understanding their evolving needs. This consistent effort gradually leads them closer to making that significant purchase. Now, amidst these obstacles, the zest to keep learning and persisting is what separates the successful from the rest. The world of affiliate marketing is always changing, and staying ahead means continuously upgrading your skills and strategies. Whether it's mastering a new marketing tool or understanding the latest in consumer behavior, your willingness to learn is a powerful tool in overcoming hurdles. But here's something to ponder in your own affiliate marketing journey. Which challenge seems the most daunting to you? And how can transforming this challenge into an opportunity pave the way for your success?